Hi guys, it's Camila from Oisha here. Today I will show you how I do my guacamole. For that you will need ripe avocados, pepper, salt, some cherry tomatoes or some other sweet tomatoes, coriander. I also like my guacamole spicy, so I'll add some dry peperoncino, but you can use a fresh one. And obviously you'll need lime. So first you will need to open avocados. I will show you a very easy way of doing that. So you cut it in half. I'm using our Sakai Cuba Gyuto knife, and then you turn it. So you're doing the same, you are cutting avocado in half and you turn it. And then you hit a little bit the seed and you turn it. You do the same with the other one. And now you will have to remove the pulp from avocados. You use spoon. So once you are done, we'll clean some of the tomatoes, put them aside because we will add them as the last bit. You add some salt, then you add peperoncino if you like your avocado to be spicy. I do, and I tend to overdo it. Of course, I forgot about the main part, which is an onion. So I will use half of this onion. You can use any type of onion, but I like the best the purple ones because they are sweeter. It seems like it's going to be too much. And now we will add some coriander, cilantro, we washed it, now we will cut it. You can remove the stems because they tend to be harder. You add the coriander. And now we will use and add the juice, the lime juice, and some pepper. I will use the fork and I will pierce lime and squeeze it and turn it. Very easy. You don't need to use any external juice squeezer. Let's add it till the last bit. We will cut tomatoes, but we will add them at the latest stage. And of course, I forgot about cumin. You can use seeds or you can use the grinded one. I like seeds. So right now I will cut tomatoes in smaller pieces. If you added them earlier and mixed with the whole guacamole, it would make it look not nice. So right now it will be my best bit. This is the part when it gets messy. So you're just squeezing it in your hands like the Play-Doh. We're almost done. Okay. Now you can clean your hands with a spoon. And now the last part is just adding the cut tomatoes. I forgot about one tomato, obviously. Now I will just use the spoon. Where is the spoon? There is no spoon? Believe me, it's good. It tastes good. So that will be it. Enjoy!